want the giant dessert.
No way, I'm getting it.
I know how we can decide this. Rock, paper, scissors.
Let's do this. Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Oh, I wanted the giant dessert.
Yes.
Here comes your food.
Let's see what tiny dessert I got. Wow, this is so tiny and cute.
Do I get a giant cake? Huh? A button? What happens if I push it?
Whoa, what is that?
Huh?
Whoa.
Whoa, this thing is huge.
That's not fair. Max gets the giant cake.
Where do I start? Oh, I know. Oh, time to eat.
Oh, looks so good.
What'd you guys think?
It was delicious.
I want the giant food next round.
All right, time for the main course. All right, enjoy.
Oh, I can't wait. Huh? Oh, what is this?
Oh, that's the cutest tiny turkey leg.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, that means I have the giant turkey leg. This thing is giant.
Oh man, that looks so good.
Great job, guys. You both finished the challenge. Now on to the next round. More desserts.
Oh.
All right, here it is.
Oh, is that mine?
Yay, I got it.
Oh, then what do I get?
Don't worry, I didn't forget about you. Here you go.
Oh, what? Oh, mine's so tiny compared to yours. Oh, I guess some toppings will make it better.
Ooh, chocolate!
I guess this will have to work. Oh, so cold. Oh.
Oh, it's my turn.
Oh, that looks so good.
Wow!
Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oh, I'm never gonna finish this. Do you want to share?
Yeah. Ooh, that was so good.
Yeah, well, guess what's next? More desserts. Yeah! This round we're having pumpkin pie. Yeah! Enjoy.
Oh, I can't wait.
I love pumpkin pie. My tiny pie is missing something. Whipped cream.
I love whipped cream!
Ooh, my pumpkin pie looks so good.
Oh, could I have some whipped cream?
No.
Oh, I guess I'll eat it plain.
Hey, Max. I'll give you some whipped cream if you share some of your pie.
Oh, no way.
So what'd you guys think?
Maybe kind of thirsty.
These hot cocoa should quench your thirst.
Ooh.
Huh? Oh.
Can't have hot cocoa without whipped cream and marshmallows. Ooh.
Oh, that looks good. Mine's so tiny. Oh, this is all I can use. I guess this'll do.
So, did you guys like the hot cocoa?
10 out of 10.
I wish I had more.
Sorry, Max, but we're going to the next round. Are you ready for some bread?
Bread?
Oh, it's cute. Ooh, this bread should be good with some Nutella.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, this looks good.
Whoa! I can't believe you finished that.
I hope you save some room, because this round's getting cheesy.
Oh.
Enjoy your mac and cheese.
Oh, this mac and cheese is so small. Here I go.
Whoa, this thing is giant. Hey, Lily.
Yeah?
Cheers. I'm full.
Me too.
Hope you guys enjoyed the challenge.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Hey everyone! We wanted to introduce you guys to our newest member to Crafty Hacks, Crafty Cat!
Hey everyone, I'm Crafty Cat, the newest member, and I can't wait to see you guys in our next video.
Alright.
Yeah, thanks, Crafty Cat. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!